Hello everyone, I'm out here on number 1 on this beautiful February day, and today we're going to talk about divot repair in the fairway. I get a lot of questions. When do I replace divots? How do I know when to put a divot back? Well, today I'm going to go over that very clearly for you. Okay, so here we have 3 different types of divots. Obviously this one is really thick, so we should always replace this one. You can see the roots coming out of it, but a very thick piece of divot that needs to be replaced, okay? Here's another one, it's a little smaller. This is typical of what most golfers do, but again, you can see the roots in here, you can see the dirt still attached, so again, this one needs to be replaced. Here's one that's kind of shattered. You know, there's a little bit of root showing, but there's not enough dirt to reattach it, not enough roots for it to grow back. So we do not need to reattach this. The wind, the mowers, something will pick it up and move it on the next morning or the next day, okay? Next part, we're gonna do this, replacing divots. You just don't throw it in the divot, okay? We want to place it, if we can, back the way it came out, and we want to always step on it, okay? This will get the roots to re-adhere to the dirt underneath and grow back way faster, way quicker, and make the golf course look beautiful. What we see way too often is people put just a little bit of sand in there, okay? Doesn't even come up to the top level, or we see people that just shake it like this and clump it. Neither one of those are good, as the grass cannot grow back over the divot. So what you want is to fill it almost level with the grass, and again, we want to step on it, make it nice and even. That way the grass will now grow back over this divot. Thank you guys so much, and I hope you learned a lot today.